How to use Grok AI to generate images. If image generation is enabled, Grok AI can create visuals from text prompts in seconds. First, open Grok AI and type something like create an image of a modern office setup or generate a cartoon style logo for a coffee shop. Grok will process your prompt and display a generated image within the chat. You can refine your image by asking for color changes, backgrounds, or specific styles. For example, make it minimalist or add a light blue background. Keep your prompts detailed but concise. Mention the subject, color tone, and mood for best results. What kind of images would you ask Grok to create? Let's talk about it in the comments below. And that's how you can use Grok AI to generate images. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.